Adiama Ghana for Nama we are CIF and the Ghana card 44,000 airport we are say 44,000 airport. Adia to mu say what you be kuroso. When you Ghana ni what you be kuroso. A wo pese wo ba Ghana. Se wo kita Ghana passport. Na wo kita Ghana card. Etimi do ba Ghana.
Abuza for mamu nyina makwaba ediba Ghana nsem TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say be next time videos of this nature about so submit my cabin so watch the or comment section for them. Say munim dan if Mr. President. Baby who be from Mr. President ameje so. Or text me Mr. President or comment section ameje so. Who see me TikTok na pa Mr. President ameje so sir. Koye dey baby agenda MPP. So the munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Ghana the same TV channel also. They are the new patriotic party Amenyokuno. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Prez.Mahama and H president. Now also the upper by Mbia so Selkebi. Na my kan yi they were John the Muhammad the book at Neze Ebu. Ya many am for the Messiah Dr. Prez.Mahama and H the assembly few. Now once again may catch a gun and Mabuni and I say amanya 7 no. Eh daachinti na ya manyo se menye print ya manyo se de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti daachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye wo yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have more opportunity to serve public space. Do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. The
new center, Ghana card readable at 44,000 airports as travel documents to facilitate return to Ghana. Hey, Sase mo ya Dr. Bawumia ka NDC for 3 this Ghana card. Ele de odi Ghana card. Oh, principle.
Nyoma we ni bi say. Ana na nke me as NDC ni as a proud NDC ni. Nyoma we ni bi say. And as a proud NDC ni me expect to say me NDC leaders no e de nioma bi say ni begu akom e de egu wa mo man Ghana such a way o man ni betumpon nioma bi say yo ana nanke as a proud of NDC as a proud as a NDC member me expect to say NDC leaders no edi nyema binim say ebegu akwam adiama Ghana for na ma wi ase ayefo and the Ghana card 44,000 airport ewo wi ase 44,000 airport adia to mu say what you obi kuro so when ye Ghana ni a what you obi kuro so a wo pese wo ba Ghana se wo kita Ghana passport na wo kita Ghana card etimi do ba Ghana wo ye NDC ni na wo ti sa news ya o listen se wo ye NDC ni communicator na wo ti sa news ya o listen policy ben JJ Runnings bedi o my Ghana so 19 good years JJ pe Akames any ayi John Mahama ebe to aso 8 years 8 plus 19 ayesen 8 plus 19 and 27 years 27 years and a President John Mahama was aso back or babaka abesen enye 31 years na chere say sa 31 years na yamu NDC yebedi oman Ghana so no policy be na yede aba ama na ba be national asset mon kan chere ye upon 31 years
from Kase to Asibekope and Okujekope Road, you will realize that the people of Adan have been, in the dark for too long. Over 34 years. Whenever we go on polls, the only party that wins is the NDC. And always we anticipate that we will receive good initiatives from the president or the government, but the successive governments have failed us. I can say on authority that we have not been empowered by any political party to embark on these demonstrations. We contributed our own money, 20 cities, 30 cities, and we use it to, finance whatever we did. But I want to state that major developmental projects done here in Adan are done mostly by the NPP government. We don't vote for them, so we can't blame them much. NDC, we have entrusted our hope into them, and they failed us over and over. This is not a political talk, that is the reality on the ground. After this, the market women, the free erosion, and no ambulance in the district, no employment in the district, high utility tariffs like the ECG and the water bills, and so many. We can mention all. Everything has started. There is nothing working in Adan. We are tired. We are tired.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
Nyansa ayefa ne nyansa ni biwom. Na that means automatically nature will say MPP ba power, MPP wa mambuomu. Omani konanim e chen say NDC wa mambuomu. Wait, speak it 100% say MPP be di omani so a or the omani konanim e chen say NDC fo aba be di omani so. Na wait say NDC fo be di omani so a wo mo di omani sa wo mo achi. Omani sa wo mo achi. Omani automatically sa wo mo achi. That is it. Tiasema Dr. Bawumia kan. Tiasema okan. Udi tiasema okan.
At the end of the first quarter next year, the Ghana card will be recognized globally as an e-passport and can be read and verified in all h0w compliant borders. That is 197 countries, 44,000 airports.
Na said Dr. Bawumia Niminia Unimadi oye as vice president. No, say not Dr. Bawumia no. Sa Ghana card no. No nimini or the Ghana card in buy. Sa Ghana card about a national asset. Policy ben and NDC dia about a national asset. Policy ben. Mon can't me. Policy ben a yediaba and about a national asset. I'm all minor colony or Becassa hospitals or Becassa interchange or Becassa we 9 interchange in MPP in C. School now what they are proud and the MPP. Hospitals now who feel say why are they are MPP so baby. Road now we see what's here being bad and MPP so it's policy then or the ababa no Dr. Bawumia me your mind eduma wate toka chemi. Toka fachemi. Dr. Bawumia me kala me use wa say. E wo mi say wo ni power mum. But Toyota Camry fachemi wate. President Prez.Mahama and H me president. Me make sure so what 2 fi achemi. Cause me your mind eduma.
And when some of my party people say that when the table stand, they do the same, they are not playing. They are not playing. It will be escalated because people are writing it. People are noting it. And I started talking about this in 2025 When I said that, I admit, whenever there is a change in government, there were a lot of things, some of these things happen. Can we agree to put a stop to it?
Yes.
And say that enough is enough? Let's begin to halt some of these things. When I said that, some of my NDC friends agreed with me. Some too felt like, hey, we've come to power, we should continue. You think that you go and arrest somebody for speaking, and when the table turns, that person has forgotten about you. They will come after you in multiple fold, and we'll be having the same conversation. I am saying what I am saying today because when the table turns, and somebody in my party is doing it to you, I can still speak because I'm speaking against it now, and I spoke against it then. Why are we doing this to ourselves, Alfred?
Okay.
That we say we have a law that says that nobody is above the law, including the judge. Well, we know in this country when judges took goats and money as bribes and skilled judgment. Have you gone to the magistrate court and the small court in the district before? I was an MC. There were occasions that I went to those courts. You weep when you see how citizens are being treated in those places where there are small lawyers, and some of them don't even have representation. So the reality is that indeed there can be judges that can be political. They are not above the law. If you are a judge and I have a case before you, and I think that you are singling me out and you are trying to use your position to come after me, there is a law that allows me to call you out and even petition and get you removed. So if for whatever reason you think that somebody has said that a certain judge is a political judge, it is not the police that comes to arrest the person and throws the person to jail. I am saying this because I'm saying this not because I support what the person has said. Hear me well. I am saying that whether you are the president, you are the chief justice, you are whatever it is, when somebody comes after your person or your integrity, the laws are there. It doesn't include police kidnapping me and putting me in jail. It says that I should take you on and let you prove how I became political. And if you fail to do that, the laws will punish you, which if it includes jailing, you are jailed. But the situation where we find ourselves today, that if the thing goes against people in government, then we weaponize it and call it hate speech and peddling falsehood. That is the danger that Miracles, I am worried about, and I think h0w should also worry about. Now, Alfred, let's look at all the 17 issues. None of them are issues that Miracles will say with my mouth, or would even go into a meeting and tell my party person to say it. But the question is, since when did it become a crime? The things they've said. We're in this country, when h0w and his party, including senior members of this government, were on the street, the communications officer of the NDC, Sami Jemfi, saying exactly what this lady has said today. In fact, what this lady has said today that she said, Kuna na do mami, eradie kuna na do mami.
And we sang it against
mami, eradie kuna na do mami.
So why is it not a crime? Why?
There is a gentleman who sits, what's his name? There's a gentleman who sits on Wazo TV also. He said it in plain language that he is surprised that another is not dead. And that God should kill him in a plane crash. So today, if you are showing me,
how should all these be dealt with?
No. So I'm saying that if you are showing me, so if you are showing me these cases, and today you are in government, your conversation shouldn't be that they've done something. The law should. You are hypocrites, because when you are in opposition, similar cases, you spoke against it, and the president today wrote a letter to Akufo-Addo. All the cases are listed in the letter. I'll give it to you. I can give it to you to share.
No, you condemn all these statements. You say these statements, even if they were said by persons within the party, your party, you don't associate with them. How do we address it?
No. Because it's an issue. Let's agree. Let's agree that we have a difference between morality and crime.
Yes.
Absolutely.
I am a Methodist.
Civil wrong.
Okay, I have went to Sunday school, went through. I can disagree with you. I can debate with you. I'll never insult you. It doesn't mean that another person doesn't reserve the right to insult you. That is his business. For some other citizens, they want to insult you. What they do. The point is, if I insult you, is it a crime? If I say you, the judge, you are political, there's no crime. I'm not supposed to be in jail for even 30 minutes. I'm supposed to be sued by you. Yes. You understand what I'm saying? If I say that the Gauls should kill the president, I would never say that in my life. Never in my life would I say that. But if somebody says that the Gauls should kill the president, it is not a crime.
Oh, I wish you are dead.
Or I wish that h0w is dead. It is not a crime. If h0w, even for whatever reason, feels slanted, it is not up to the Ghana police
chairman
to go and bundle the person.
Former NCA board chairman, a member of this government, went to complain